Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish bone broth. First, ensure you have about 2 to 3 pounds of fish bones and heads, ideally from white, non-oily fish. Next, prepare your aromatics: 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks, roughly chopped. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 12 cups of cold water. These simple ingredients are the foundation for a flavorful and nutritious broth. Now, combine all your ingredients, fish bones, vegetables, apple cider vinegar, and water, into a large stock pot. Bring the pot to a gentle simmer over medium-high heat. Once simmering, reduce the heat to low, ensuring it maintains a very light bubble. Cook for approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour. During this time, occasionally skim off any foam that rises to the surface to keep your broth clear. After simmering, it's time to strain your delicious broth. Carefully pour the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve or colander lined with cheesecloth into a clean bowl. Discard all the cooked bones and vegetables. You only want the clear, golden liquid. Let the broth cool completely at room temperature before moving on to storage. This step is crucial for safety and quality. Once cooled, transfer your fish bone broth into airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 days. For longer storage, freeze individual portions in freezer-safe bags or containers for up to 3 months. This broth is packed with beneficial nutrients and collagen, great for soups, sauces, or sipping directly. Remember to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Enjoy your homemade, nourishing broth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.